Side hustles present a practical and rewarding avenue, especially for introverts who may thrive in quieter, less interactive environments. The appeal includes the opportunity to work from the solace of home, evading the often exhaustive office dynamics. Such arrangements not only respect personal space, but also offer flexibility in scheduling, allowing introverts to work at times they feel most productive and less overwhelmed. Furthermore, these ventures require minimal direct social engagements, ensuring that introverts can manage their energy and social reserves without compromise. This setting ultimately supports greater personal satisfaction and efficiency. Freelance writing is an ideal pursuit for introverts who excel in expressing themselves through written words. Platforms like Upwork and Freelancer serve as gateways to a multitude of writing opportunities. They provide a marketplace to connect with potential clients who need various writing services. Key to success in this field is specialization. Choosing a particular niche helps in standing out and becoming an expert, which in turn attracts more targeted job offers. Equally important is building a comprehensive portfolio that showcases the best work, demonstrating skills and professionalism to prospective clients. Starting a freelance graphic design business requires mastery of essential tools and platforms. Adobe Illustrator is a pivotal software for any graphic designer, facilitating the creation of professional and compelling visual content. Platforms such as 99 Designs offer a competitive environment where designers can connect with clients globally. An essential step for successful freelancing is to build an impressive online portfolio. This digital showcase should highlight your best works and reflect your unique style and skills, attracting potential clients and demonstrating your capability to handle diverse design projects effectively. Setting up an e-commerce store on popular platforms like Etsy or Shopify can be a strategic move for those looking to embark on an online business. These platforms simplify the online selling process and allow sellers to reach a wider audience. Dropshipping is a notable benefit, as it eliminates the need for inventory management, reducing overhead. Alternatively, selling unique, handmade items can cater to niche markets and add a personal touch to the business. Managing an online store with minimal direct customer interaction is also feasible. By optimizing automatic replies and efficient self-service options, one can efficiently handle customer inquiries and operations. Online tutoring opens doors for educators to share their expertise on subjects they are passionate about. Platforms like tutor.com and Khan Academy facilitate connections between tutors and students globally. This virtual setting offers flexibility in teaching methods, including one-on-one tutoring, which allows for personalized attention and tailored lesson plans to meet individual student needs. Additionally, creating pre-recorded courses can provide a consistent revenue stream, as these courses can be sold multiple times to different learners. Both methods support a structured, yet flexible work environment, ideal for those who prefer or require a remote working setup. In conclusion, the range of side hustles available for introverts is diverse, covering areas from freelance writing and graphic design to e-commerce and online tutoring. It's crucial to select a side hustle that not only plays to your strengths, but also aligns with your personal preferences and comfort zone. This alignment ensures that you maintain enthusiasm and drive, which are essential for long-term success. Ultimately, the key to a fulfilling side hustle lies in finding joy and satisfaction in what you do, enabling not just financial gain, but also personal growth and happiness.